Okay, so how can you put a subscribe button or a bell icon on a YouTube video, right? So let's say you are publishing content on YouTube and you would like to get the icon or animation on your videos. Well, for that, if you want to use it just with your phone, you will need to use a video editor. Naturally, on a computer, there are different video editors than on a phone, but let's say that you are using CapCut, which I think you should, and it's a great app. Using such app, you can import the video that you want to edit and all of the things that can be tweaked in here on the timeline, right? But below, or then what you need to do is to download an icon of the subscribe button. So you can find it on the internet. You can literally just look up the subscribe button and bell icon, and you can download that as an image into your gallery. Then on the timeline, you can click on the plus icon, switch to photos, and then import that photo of the subscribe button directly into that video. So then you will select it and make it overlay so it actually appears above the regular or actual content. And using such apps, you can time it. You can also decide when exactly it's going to appear and perhaps keyframe it and add some effects and whatnot. And it is pretty simple to do it with such great tools as CapCut is. Naturally, on the computer or on the desktop, you might be using Final Cut or Premiere Pro, but then the process is pretty simple too, where you can just add that icon as well as a layer on top of your existing footage and it just works. So yeah, that's kind of how it works. It's just a very quick guide on how you can enable it, especially on your phone because it's much easier on a computer. But anyways, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know below in the comments if there are some other things and questions you might specifically have about this. But that's it from me. Subscribe and I'll see you in the future.